You do the app on your phone or you pay for the boarding pass?
No, I'm not going to.
Then you don't fly.
And I will sue this company.
You don't fly.
So here's what's going to happen.
You know, I'm going to be nice. You're an idiot. You're stupid and you're ignorant.
Okay.
You know that?
Sorry you feel that way.
Well, how else am I supposed to feel?
This is what's
I'm offering $5.
What's going to happen is you're going to be trespassed.
I'm offering the $5.
I'm telling you now.
I'm offering the $5.
I'm going to have a unit come. If you don't back up, you're going to jail.
This analysis sets aside the dispute itself and examines only the law that decided its outcome. The central question is not who was right about a $5 fee. It is the legal line between protected expression and chargeable conduct.
So don't tell me.
The rules haven't changed from last year.
No, I know.
to this
And
year.
last year they said, okay, you can go. You don't have
Maybe
to pay.
they let it as a courtesy, but we can't let it as a courtesy every day to every passenger. So you either pay for the boarding pass or you download the app. That's
I
your
already
choices.
bought the ticket.
Okay, well you bought a ticket, but you don't have a boarding pass. You need a boarding pass to get through security. You choose. You do the app on your phone or you pay for the boarding
No,
pass.
I'm not going to.
Then you don't fly.
And I will sue this company.
You don't fly.
So here's what's going to happen. We're going to come out of line, and we're going to talk like gentlemen over there.
I will talk right here.
So,
I bought a ticket.
sir, let me speak.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. My name is Sergeant Old Charlotte County Sheriff's Office. Okay.
Yes.
I'm a law enforcement officer.
Yes, I see.
Allegiant has their procedures and policies. Okay. Let me finish. Let me talk.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Their procedures and policies were explained to you. You do not wish to follow those procedures or policies that they inquire, which is either board by your app or let me finish.
Okay.
Or purchase the boarding pass. Correct? You're not doing it?
Or they could waive the price.
They're not doing it. So either those two options.
No, there's three. There's
Sir,
three.
I'm not going to elevate my voice or
Okay.
we'll have problems.
There-
I don't want that.
There is three options.
I'm talking to you like a gentleman.
Okay.
Talk to me like a gentleman or
Okay.
this is over.
Excuse me, officer.
Or I'll have you trespass and you can leave.
There are three options.
There is not today.
Oh, today?
Yes, today they
it's
told
different.
me. Today they told me there's two options. I heard those options.
Okay, hold on. I just want to videotape them.
It's
that.
on recording. I have it all documented, sir. You're dealing with me.
I'm looking for my
You
phone.
put it down probably here. You're dealing with me, okay? You're not dealing with the Legion.
I want to.
I understand what
I
you
need-
want.
I
What
need-
you want doesn't always exist right this minute. You're going to be complying with what I want, okay? I've been very cordial with you.
Yes, you have. And I've been cordial with
Leo
you.
to airside.
Haven't I?
You've elevated your voice more than one time with me.
Oh, is that against the law?
No, but
Okay.
that's not cordial. Can you meet me
Did
at
I
the ticket counter
apologize?
for possible trespass?
I want proof that they're denying me.
It's going to be in a police report.
No, I want proof them saying it.
Yeah.
So I'm taking
Yeah,
video.
it's on audio right here. She just did
I
it.
don't.
It's on my body worn
Yes,
camera.
and sometimes those seem to disappear.
They don't disappear. Sir.
Yes, they do.
Sir.
Don't bullshit me, please.
I don't bullshit you, and I'm not going to argue
You're saying
with you.
police departments, their recordings don't disappear when people ask for a FOIL request of them?
You
Yes,
can
they
request
do.
it.
I
You
know.
can request it.
And sometimes they disappear. That's why a lot of people videotape their own, because this won't disappear.
Allegiant has talked to you already. They have asked me to tell you those options were done.
Well, I'm just going to ask them one more time. I will do it in a nice manner.
Let me explain to you.
And I'm going to video.
Before you do that, let me explain to you some things. Real quick. Airside's coming over here, which is Port Authority on their end, which is their security.
That's fine.
I'm telling you now, if this continues and you do not leave
That's all I'm doing.
you need to let me talk.
Will you let me talk after that?
No, let me first talk.
Okay. I said, then will you let me talk?
After you let me finish.
Go ahead.
You need to hear this.
Okay.
If you do not comply and leave peacefully, you'll be trespassed. And if you do not leave, you'll be arrested. Do you understand? Those are your options.
Yes, I hear you. Can I speak now?
You can.
Okay. I'm going to stand there, ask them one last time. I'm going to video record it. Yep. I'm going to video record it.
I will bring her over here and she will talk to you over here.
She can do that.
And if you're not cordial, the conversation's over and you're leaving the building. You understand?
Did I say yes already?
You did, but I'm
Okay, thank
asking you if you understood.
Yes. Yes.
Good.
For the fourth time.
Good, because I want it clear.
Okay. Tell her to come
No,
over.
I will ask her. I'm not telling anyone but you.
Well, then I'll go up there and
I
ask
will
them.
ask.
Then I will go up
I
and
will
ask them.
You're not listening. I'll have you leave now, and there'll be nothing over there.
I'm going to either go up there or you can go up
I
there.
am going to ask. I'm
Okay,
not
go
telling
ahead.
anyone over there to come here. I'm going to ask them.
Okay, and if
That's what a person should do. It's already on audio. I'm live. He just wants you to tell him again what his options are so he can report it. Because he doesn't believe it will be captured. He thinks I'll delete it. So he wants to hear you tell him his options.
His options. Okay, send him over here. We'll get
You want him over here?
Is it pay $5 or download the app?
He just wants to hear that on audio on his own.
And no
on
cash.
I'm already live, so he doesn't believe this will be
He thinks he's
downloaded.
gonna delete it
He
for
thinks I'm
recording.
going to delete my recording. Right here, sir.
in here,
Right here.
Who am
No
I
further.
speaking with?
Right here. No further. You're speaking to him.
your name, sir?
My name's Todd.
Todd? Thank you,
Yeah.
Todd. I just want to double check. I'm so upset at you guys right now. What did she say?
Hey, she's talking to her manager. Keep going.
Well, I thought she said something to me.
She did
Excuse me.
not. She did not.
Okay. I want to hear you say that you're denying me on the aircraft because I won't spend $5 for something that I already paid for, and I won't download something on my phone.
Giving you the option to download the app. That would save you the $5. You download the app, you download a boarding pass, or you're paying the $5 for a boarding pass as stated per policy on our website.
Or he could have done it on the email.
Or what?
Or the email at home.
Email at home.
Yeah, you can print your boarding pass on the email at home. Those
Call
are
you
your
back
three
and deal with an incident.
Do you know what that means, the email at home?
I don't belong to Allegiant. They've explained to you your options. You can look up those
Okay.
options and talk
You
to
know-
whoever you wish. Do not step them forward. Please back up.
I'm going
Please
to
back
give them the
up.
$5.
I actually, please step back.
credit note, no cash. We're cashless.
They're cashless. It's cashless.
I don't
Credit.
have a credit card.
Please step back though.
We don't take cash.
I don't have a credit card.
Okay.
So now you're denying me because I don't have a credit card.
Airlines do not use cash, okay?
They don't.
Not since 9/11. Debit or credit.
Please step back.
I spent 34 years. I was flying the night.
Sir, I told you be cordial. Please step back. Please step back. They
She's
explained it.
lying.
No, take your phone and step back.
She's lying.
Come on. Come on. You're going to
So
be, this is what's
I'm
happening.
offering
That's what happens.
$5.
You're going to be trespassed.
I'm offering the
I'm telling
$5.
you now. You're
I'm
gonna,
offering the $5.
I'm going to have a unit come. If you don't back up, you're going to jail.
I'm offering
It's
them-
the last chance.
Okay. Did they say or did they
Central
not
Maryland, can
say
you send me another
that
unit?
if I give them the money, they'll give me the boarding
I'm telling
pass?
you, I'm not. Semantics.
Did they
I'm not
s-
arguing. I'm not here to argue with you.
You're.
I'm not here to argue with
You
you.
know, I'm going to be nice. You're an idiot. You're stupid and you're ignorant.
Okay.
You know that?
Sorry you feel that way.
Well, how else am I supposed to feel? So here we go. Give me a trespass warning when I leave.
You'll be getting one right over here.
Okay, let's go.
Now that's what you do.
Just sit on the bench, sir.
I'll stand wherever I feel like.
Okay, sir. Central Maryland. Can you have the unit meet me up at the
You
ticket
don't know
counter?
what you're talking about, and they're lying.
I do know what I'm talking about when it comes to trespass and what your actions
All the
has
airlines
caused
have
this.
gone only to cash since 9/11. I worked the airlines flying on 9/11.
You're talking-
That's bullshit.
Your argument here is you're misunderstanding the argument.
She's lying.
Okay. Your argument is with Allegiant, and you're not going to win that argument here. You want to take it elsewhere? You can.
I will take it to court, and I will take your guys to court.
You can.
We'll
You
go
can.
in front of a
Your
judge.
actions has caused this.
My what?
Your actions.
My actions have caused nothing.
Okay.
I paid for a ticket, and they're refusing to let me get on the aircraft.
Okay, sir. Well, I'm sorry you feel that way.
What is that called when you pay for something and they refuse of service? So they're refusing service. I already paid for a ticket. They know I paid for a ticket. It's in the computer. I have the number they give you when I paid for it, and they're refusing service.
I understand that, sir.
So is that a crime?
I hear what
paid
you're
for
saying,
something
sir.
and refusing
I hear
service.
that you're upset about it, right?
Is that a crime?
Sir, you keep asking me questions.
Well, you're a police officer.
Yeah.
I think somebody's beeping at you.
Yeah.
A police officer.
Copy.
Central Mary 1. It's going to be at the ticket counter near the front entrance.
So is that a crime? Refusal?
Sir,
Refusal of...
you're asking me a black and white question. What they did is not a crime. What they did is not a crime.
They refused...
What they did is not a crime. They gave you the policy and procedures. Those options were provided to you. You did not want to comply with those options. So you're not understanding me, okay? You had those options offered to you more than multiple times. Then you wanted to pay. At the point of purchase of paying for the $5 fee that you're required to pay, you chose to pay with cash. They do not accept
There's
cash.
nothing in there saying I can't pay for cash.
You getting mad at me, getting up irate with people are not going to help the situation. You're wrong in this situation.
So they can lie.
I'm not talking about
They can deny me.
You're not listening. You are not listening.
I'm
Okay?
dealing. Okay, I'm
He's gonna
dealing
get a
with
trespass
them.
warning. So if someone can draw that up real quick, that'd be great.
Why don't you have a seat on that bench, sir?
No, I'm fine right here. I don't want to be
He's
sitting
very
down. I'm fine.
uncompliant.
I am not asking you. I'm telling you to have a
I'm
seat.
not sitting down. I'm fine right here. Leave me
Go again for
alone.
breach of peace. Take them.
Oh, yeah, take me. Take me. We'll go right.
Put your hands right behind your back, sir.
You're going to resist, sir. Do not resist. Stop resisting. Please put your hand behind your back. Please.
It is behind my back.
Please comply with the officers.
It
Please.
is behind my
I'm
back.
asking you.
Is it not behind my back?
I just want you to comply. Listen
Is
to
it
the,
not behind
Listen
my-
to the officers. Listen to the officers that are speaking to you right now. Listen. Comply with their orders. They
Was
are
it-
lawful orders. Stop talking.
You're
and listen.
videotaping.
I
Was
am.
Was
I
it
am.
not behind my
I'm not
back?
going to do this.
You-
Was it not behind my back?
Yes, he hasn't been checked or anything. Yes.
All right, we'll take him to.
He's-
Escort him to her car.
Breach of police.
Yeah, but search that.
Can I put this in my wallet?
Where's your wallet?
In my pocket here.
What you had to do is listen, sir.
Did I not listen?
Nope.
I did not put my hand behind my back. I should be twisting it.
Florida statute, section 810.08 governs trespass in a structure. It applies when a person who is lawfully present is warned to depart by the owner, the lessee, or a person authorized by them, and refuses. An airline operating a leased ticket counter is such an authorized party. Once its staff direct a customer to leave and that customer declines, the offense is effectively complete. Because the terminal was occupied by other people at the time, the offense is elevated to a misdemeanor of the first degree. The probable cause for arrest rests on that refusal alone. It does not rest on the subject's opinions, his volume, or his insults. That distinction matters because much of this encounter is speech. Verbal criticism of police is protected by the First Amendment. The Supreme Court held, in City of Houston v. Hill, in 1987, that the freedom to oppose or challenge police verbally is a core liberty and a principal feature distinguishing a free nation from a police state.
Down.
Why? Was that a lawful order?
He gave you an order. Yes.
A lawful order that I had to sit
You're already
down.
causing disturbance, sir.
Was it a lawful order?
Discussion's over.
Yeah.
You're Jim.
Yeah, okay.
Come on. Listen to the officer. Listen to her. She's giving you instructions right now. Listen
I'm
to
waiting
her.
for my wallet.
He's got it. He's going to hold on to it.
No.
He's going to go into property. It's our procedure.
Hey, me and you are walking together.
Come on.
We're walking together. Come on.
Okay. Can you loosen the right
When
one?
we get to the car, we'll adjust them. We'll look at them and adjust them when we get to the car.
So,
Just listen. When we get to the car, we'll talk. Let's get to the car first, okay? One thing at a time with you. You're obviously agitated. We just need to get to the car. We'll talk about whatever you want to talk about when you're secured.
It's open, Sarge.
It's open.
I'm not gonna put that name on in it yet.
I don't even have his information yet.
That's sorry, we'll get it.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
Can you lose?
We'll talk about it when we get closer. Take one step. Right there. Turn and face the car. Let the officer see if they're fine or not. She will look at it. She will look at it and she'll determine the safety of that. But
What did she say?
she'll check it. She'll just don't move. She's gonna check
I'm not
it.
moving. I
I'm
just
telling
asked you
that-
what she said.
And I'm telling
I
you.
couldn't hear.
And she's going to adjust it to her safety and the comfortability of you. It doesn't mean a full comfortability to you, but it's her safety as well. So there is a position where we have to keep them.
There's no pocket on. I know there's one right here, but nothing in there. That's that side. Here's
Hey,
my-
Don, you're gonna take care of the trespass. We'll take care of this on the part.
Do you have a trespass warning?
I don't have any.
I don't
on me.
either.
I
Can
can
he
write
print
one
one
real
up?
quick.
You want to write
I
one?
can
You want to
write
write one? You
I can write one real
book
quick.
them.
Yeah,
We'll
I can
take
write one
it.
real quick.
Yeah, I'll give
It's-
it back to him when
it's
she
not-
comes back
it's not
with
that,
it.
yeah.
Yeah, she can bring it back to me. It'll be fine.
It'll be
It's
real
all the
quick.
same, right?
A citizen may argue, object, and even insult an officer without committing any crime. The right to record police performing their duties in public is equally settled in the federal circuit that governs Florida. An officer may not lawfully seize a phone or order recording to stop simply because he is being filmed. Offensive words also cannot sustain a charge of disorderly conduct. In State v. Saunders in 1976, the Florida Supreme Court narrowed Section 8 77.03 to avoid overbreadth. Under that ruling, words can support the charge in only two situations: true fighting words or a false report of danger, such as shouting fire. Insults aimed at an officer fall into neither category. So the conduct that justified custody was never the talking. It was the refusal to leave and then to comply. Florida Statute Section 843.02 defines resisting an officer without violence during a lawful legal duty. Florida courts read this provision broadly as to conduct. In SL v. State, decided in 2012, the appellate court held that refusing a lawful order to sit can itself amount to resistance. The key limitation is the word lawful. The duty must be valid. Here, the trespass was already established, so the order carried legal weight.
Could I?
Is your ID in your wallet?
I got it. Are you ready?
He's all good, Sarge, if you want to.
Could I get
Yeah,
your card?
he's good. She'll give you my information at the jail.
Okay.
Okay?
Could I get everyone's?
Yes. Yes, you can.
You'll.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, it'll be part of the report. Do you have any other weapons before you send you in there? Because we checked
Any
you.
other weapons?
I'm asking. Anything on you?
Any weapons? No.
Okay. Well, thank you for
Well, you said
clarifying.
any other weapons.
Okay.
I didn't have any weapons to begin with, so.
Well, I'm glad you clarified.
Well, yeah.
And that means a lot. So thank you for our safety.
And my bags are
I'm
going.
just doing the narrative right now.
No, you're fine. I just wanted to let you know there's some cash. There's a bank envelope and another thing in there with cash in it, and his passport. Yep. Approximately how much cash do you have on hand on that bag?
In the thing that you just put next to her seat?
Yes, sir.
3,400.
3,400 total, or each
30.
envelope?
No, I think there's just one envelope.
Okay, I saw one envelope in the wallet, I guess, or something.
The
in there.
wallet has $72.
Okay, so about 30, close to 3,500 total cash on you. What's going to happen is she's going to double count it. When we get to jail, they'll put that with your property, so that way it's accounted for. Okay, just so you know where it's at.
You asked
All right.
me where's-
The force question is governed by Graham versus Connor, decided in 1989. Reasonableness is judged from the perspective of an officer on scene, not with the clarity of hindsight. Guiding the hands behind the back and seating a handcuffed subject sit at the lowest measurable point of the force continuum. No strike, no takedown, and no pain technique was applied. Under that standard, the force used is plainly reasonable.
He was already yelling at him that he was not going to pay the $5. I said, all right, sir, I'll give you an option. You can download the app, or it's for free, or you can pay the $5 boarding pass. I started yelling at me, I don't download stuff on my phone. I said, okay, well, then your option is to pay the $5. And, of course, starts yelling about being denied. I said, and he goes, I want somebody above me. I said, I'm in. I said, the only person above me is on this customer care number right here. I handed him the customer care number. He grabbed it off the thing, threw it at me. And that's all. I said, okay.
Did it hit you?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's a 2x5 piece of, but yeah. So, hey, how you doing?
How are you?
Yeah.
You think it was intentional? Like,
Intentional? Oh yeah. I mean, he didn't want to talk to that number, so he.
I'll grab you 2 cans for spotlight.
They'll be right there if you want to just. Yeah.
did you want to pursue charges?
I do not want to pursue charges.
This brings the analysis to the grades. The sergeant earns an A-. He confined himself to his actual authority, the question of lawful presence, and refused to invent a charge from speech he found offensive. He built a clean record of warning, comprehension, and refusal, losing points only for avoidable verbal friction. The transporting deputy earns a B+ for courteous, procedurally sound custody and clear handling of property. The subject earns a D+. His expression and his recording were lawful and fully protected, but he declined every no-cost option to resolve or exit the situation and remained after a warning he acknowledged understanding. The agency earns a B+ for sound, staffing, and transparent procedure. 3 lessons follow from this case. First, a private business may revoke your presence, and police may enforce that, regardless of who is right about the underlying service. Second, your right to speak and to record does not include a right to stay. The remedy for a bad policy is a complaint or a lawsuit, not refusal to leave. Third, once a lawful order is given, the place to contest it is a courtroom, not the floor of a terminal. Compliance preserves every legal argument you have. Resistance forfeits most of them. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.